Hello there, sir. How can we help today?
I want to buy one of them pawn passes.
You want to buy what, mate?
I want to buy one of them Jizz tickets.
Oh, very good, sir. One Jizz ticket coming right up. Hey, you're that fella from the internet. What's it called? A Sargon of a card. Hey, Mr. Love, you never guess who walked in the shop. It's that Sargon of a cad fella from the internet. He's after one of them Jizz tickets.
Oh, fancy that. He's already been in 6 times today for Jizz tickets. Ask him if he wants to buy a 6-ticket saver.
Oh, that's right, Sargon. We've got a 6-ticket saver. You get your 6 Jizz tickets, plus a complimentary box of tissues and a free Gatorade. You gotta be replacing those electrolytes somehow.
It's pretty hard to argue with that value.
It certainly is, Sargon, particularly when you got a raging boner.